We are going to eat in this Indian restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant?
Punjabi.
Punjabi
Specialty tandoori and curry.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Indian cuisine.
Yeah.
It's very cold. Let's go inside.
I'm so hungry.
Hello Tikay. Hello, good evening, good morning or good afternoon, but good evening for us.
This is for dinner.
We are at an Indian restaurant. The name is Punjabi, not far from our place. And we are going to have Indian dinner.
Just the two of us.
Yes.
Cheers.
This Tikay.
Red wine
Red wine with lots of sugar.
with Coca-Cola.
Yes, Tikay. Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
Okay. So that's your night.
I will eat even the bones.
Because we order lots of food.
Yeah.
We order starter, we order main course, we order this naan bread, Indian bread.
But normally, guys, Mark is in diet, but
Yes.
today it's very exceptional.
Today, no diet anymore. Oui. Merci beaucoup. Wow, Tikay.
Especially for you.
That's the garlic naan.
Garlic naan, I think.
Garlic naan. And this is the cheese naan.
Yeah.
And our starter is
I don't know what's inside.
assorted. You have samosa, you have chicken, you have meat and vegetables with some sauce. So, bon appétit, Tikay.
Bon appetit.
Let's enjoy our dinner, Indian dinner. You like it, Tikay?
Very much. Very delicious.
I think this is chicken tandoori.
I think so, yeah.
I love Indian spices. So good. So Tikay, how did you find the starter?
No,
The first course.
It was delicious.
Yes?
Yeah.
The,
And
the,
you?
the naan bread was very
It was
delicious.
perfect.
I love it.
I love it.
Yeah. And the chicken also, the chicken tandoori was good. And also the samosa. Yeah.
I prefer lumpia than samosa.
Ah, yes?
Yeah.
But we are in Indian restaurant,
Yeah,
not
but-
Filipino
I
restaurant.
know, but just to compare. For something.
Very good. So
And you like everything?
I like everything. You know, I'm not so difficult with the food, huh? Especially with Indian food. I love Indian food. So you still have space for the main course?
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Are you sure?
Of course, yes.
Okay. Very good. So just wait.
Left and right.
It will come. It will come.
Surprise!
Don't burn your hand, Tikay. This is for the main course.
They switch on the air conditioner.
Yeah. We
Almost
just
ready.
received our main course. So we have lamb biryani. So this is rice. This is fried rice with lamb and other things that I don't know.
Where's the meat? The meat is here.
Yeah. This is lamb. Looks delicious. And then we have also ginger chicken.
Ginger chicken.
Ginger chicken.
I love ginger.
Yes. And then you order also rice with
forgot the name.
I think it's rice with dry fruits.
Where?
With dry fruits.
Dried fruit.
Yes. And this is the sauce for the biryani, the yogurt sauce. Tikay, let's go. I know you start with the rice because
Rice is life.
rice is life. Of course. Bon appetit, Tikay. So we are going to taste both, your ginger chicken and the lamb biryani. And Tikay always starting with the rice.
You know, I'm Filipino.
Bon appetit, Tikay.
Bon appetit.
So I'm going to taste your rice, Tikay. Tikay.
Your plate is full already.
Yes. I like when the plate is full, but it will be empty very soon.
Look at mine.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit again. I sent it to you guys because I couldn't finish. And it's very sweet.
Yeah, because in the rice you have dry grapes and dry apricot and other
Almond
dry
and
fruits.
something else.
It's a little bit sweet, but you see the rest. We finish. The biryani is finished. The ginger chicken is finished.
Yeah, it's Mark who finished everything. No, I'm joking. Half.
Half. Yeah. And it was good, huh?
Yeah,
It was,
delicious.
except the rice, which was a little bit sweet, but everything was good.
The
Yes.
ginger sauce is delicious.
Yes. And the lamb biryani was not too spicy. It was, it was very good. Honestly, it was
need
very
to
good
come
food. Yeah. Okay. Tikay of your verven.
Yeah, I ordered bourbon tea.
To digest?
For my digestion.
Okay. Can you show me?
No more.
Wow. La classe, Tikay. Where did you learn that? Where did you learn?
When I was in Dubai,
Okay.
29 years ago.
Yes?
Cheers, guys.
Verven?
Bourbon à la mode.
Verven mint.
Mint bourbon.
Mint bourbon.
Yeah, without sugar.
To digest.
Yeah, without sugar. Don't
that's
put
good.
sugar in your tea.
Less sugar, more pleasure.
Yes. And a big smile. Yes.
I received the bill for you.
Oh my God, how much?
Yes. You have to pay 79,
Pesos?
79.50 euro. Please. Cash or credit card, as you like.
Utang only.
Utang?
Utang.
So Tikay, let's go home.
Let's go home.
It's a little bit windy, cold tonight.
Yeah.
So
and our stomach is full.
yes, we had a very good dinner. Punjabi, very good Indian cuisine. Lots of different tastes, spices.
Yeah.
Very, very good. Yes.
I like the smell.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Always think positive.
Very good, Tikay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time.